The title of this presentation is Using Communication and Collaboration Tools to Enhance Curriculum. It was created by Taylor Brackett for a course for the American College of Education. Throughout this presentation, different collaboration tools will be discussed, and ideas will be provided for using those tools in a classroom in order to enhance the curriculum. There are many benefits to using virtual communication and collaboration tools in the classroom. Educators should consider these benefits when deciding whether or not to try out these tools for themselves. When considering these benefits, it is difficult to defend not using these tools with students. One major benefit of communication and collaboration tools is the fact that it prepares students for future careers. Many individuals find themselves working from home using virtual communication tools such as Microsoft Office or Zoom. Preparing students now in how to use these tools will aid them in finding work. Next, using collaboration tools that allow students to communicate with their peers creates engaging learning experiences. When students are able to share ideas and learning with other students, they are more willing to complete learning assignments. Yamat 2013 provides two more benefits to virtual communication tools: the use of these tools anytime, anywhere, and the opportunities created for critical thinking and reflection. Students can access virtual communication tools on their phones and tablets at home, school, or anywhere that has access to internet, making learning accessible for many students. Finally, the use of critical thinking and reflection used in many collaboration tools challenges students and creates meaningful learning experiences. Because of the multitude of communication and collaboration tools available, it is difficult to provide guidance on how to create each type in one presentation. However, general guidelines can be followed to make the creation experience easier for the designer. First, choose the tool to be used. An educator may need to conduct some research in order to determine what type of tool would be most effective. Next, an account will need to be created. Most tools ask for an email, username, and password. Once an account is created, most tools have a how-to video or tutorial that can be viewed to help with the setup. These videos provide step-by-step instructions on the use of the tool. After watching the tutorial, an educator should create an example or test activity to try. A colleague can try out the activity and provide feedback on changes that should be made. Finally, make adjustments and create an activity for the class. Try it out with the students. There are many examples of virtual communication tools that can be used by educators in the classroom in order to enhance the learning experience for students. Blogs can be used by educators to encourage writing skills and to promote communication among students. Wikis are useful for combining information into one location. Canvas and Blackboard are two examples of learning management systems that can be utilized by districts. These learning management systems provide one location for discussions, assignments, and quizzes. Finally, software such as Microsoft Office and Google Classroom allow for the creation of classroom groups, shared typing and presentation assignments, discussions, and live virtual meetings. Blogs in the classroom offer learning benefits for the students. Powell et al. 2012 explains that participation in creating blogs builds students' literacy skills as they write and maintain their blog. Next, blogs encourage critical thinking and offer a challenging, meaningful activity for students to complete. Finally, blogs promote communication among students and provide opportunities for students to share ideas respectfully in an online platform. All blogs have some common characteristics. First, blogs are dated in chronological order, making it easier for students to locate their entries. American College of Education 2020. Blogs can be updated frequently by the creator, and other individuals are able to comment on a blog with their thoughts. James 2017 provides teachers with excellent ideas for implementing blogs in the classroom. In ELA, students can set up their own blogs that they use for journaling and essays. At the end of the semester or year, these entries can be used to create a writing portfolio for students to showcase. In math, the educator can create the blog and post questions for students to respond to in the comments, can encourage students to create vlogs demonstrating how to solve problems, and can post questions for students to respond to as part of project-based learning activities. In social studies, educators can post a current event each week to the classroom blog and have students respond to the event. Educators can also post a debate question, have opposing sides comment their arguments, and decide on a debate winner based on responses. In science, questions can be posted to a classroom blog to encourage students to research various topics. Wikis are another collaboration tool that can be used by educators to enhance their curriculum. In summary, wikis are websites that can be edited by students. Altanapoulou et al. 2015 concludes that following the implementation of wikis in the classroom, the results showed significant improvement in learning outcomes, particularly for students with low initial performance. Page 519. Wikis allow students to share ideas and add information related to a specific topic in one space. In order to enhance curriculum, wikis can be implemented into the classroom in the following ways. This list of ideas was provided by Harsel 2010. First, a writing assignment can be added to a wiki, and students can then work together to add to that assignment. Next, a wiki can be created to study a specific topic. For example, if studying World War II, a wiki can be created and students can work together to add information about World War II to that wiki. Another idea for use in wikis is to allow students to peer edit writing assignments that have been added to the wiki. Collaborative study guides for a unit can be created for students to work on together. Collaborative projects and editable lecture notes can be created for any topic. Learning management systems offer multiple opportunities for communication and collaboration among students. Alazemi 2021 explains that learning management systems have the following characteristics. First, LMS place all course components in one place. Students enter a course and can find all their assignments, discussions, and quizzes within one link. Additionally, courses created using an LMS are easily accessible. Students can access them at any time from any device. Learning management systems collect and store student data, which can be reviewed by educators at any time. Courses are saved for years and can be edited and reused when needed. Finally, learning management systems allow educators to create quizzes, discussions, assignments, and to link to outside resources, making the tool versatile and applicable to a range of subjects and grade levels. Learning management systems can be used in a multitude of ways in the classroom. Canvas and Blackboard are two common learning management systems implemented by districts, and both offer similar system capabilities. The following ideas have been implemented on Canvas in this author's classroom. In ELA, a question may be posted to the discussion board that requires students to reply in paragraph form. Additionally, an educator could post a read aloud to Canvas and ask for responses. A quiz can be created within Canvas that students can take during the week. In math, problems could be posted to the discussion board and students can respond with their answers. Links to videos about math or math quizzes can be housed within Canvas for students to access. In social studies, students can work collaboratively on presentations for projects when the projects are uploaded onto Canvas as cloud assignments. Discussion posts and web quests are two more ideas that could be used for social studies. Finally, for science, students can respond to discussion posts. A science fair template could be posted on Canvas, and students could add information from experiments. Interactive games from other sites such as Quizzes or Kahoot can be played collaboratively and placed on Canvas for students to access. Microsoft and Google software programs are excellent examples of collaboration and communication tools that are easy for educators to learn and use in the classroom. Some benefits to using these tools include the ability for both programs to integrate with gradebook systems, O'Connell 2016, Additionally, both programs have writing tools, presentation tools, and the ability to host live meetings with students. Finally, home pages can be created where students can easily access writing or presentation assignments in order to collaborate with peers and can also access live meetings. O'Connell, 2016. When using Microsoft Office or Google Suite, an educator can utilize the various apps within both software systems to promote collaboration and communication. For example, in ELA, essays can be typed in Microsoft Word or Google Docs and shared with the teacher. Additionally, the privacy settings can be edited in order to allow students to collaborate or peer review the essays. In math, a live meeting could be hosted using Microsoft Teams or Google Meet to teach a new math concept. Students would join the meeting and could ask the teacher questions as needed. In social studies and science, collaborative projects can be created using Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. The educator would group the students and give them all access to a presentation. They could then create the presentation together on a chosen topic. There are many communication and collaboration tools available for educators to use to enhance their curriculum. These tools include blogs, wikis, learning management systems, and Microsoft or Google. The benefits to using these tools include increased engagement and higher achievement in learning activities. Although each tool takes time to learn and implement, the benefits are worth the effort and make learning more meaningful for students. Throughout this presentation, ideas for using each collaboration tool have been provided in the hopes of encouraging fellow educators to try one of these tools in their classrooms with their students. The following references were used in the creation of this presentation. Thank you for viewing.